Convenient serving with detachable cord. The cord detaches from the electric kettle for easy serving. Boil and carry hot water to the table or anywhere you're serving hot beverages or need hot water. Perfect for adding boiling water to soups or recipes. Peace of mind, the electric water kettle automatically turns off when it reaches a boil. Boil dry protection keeps the kettle from scorching if it runs out of water. Easy to fill, with convenient dual water windows, you can view the water level from either side of the hot water kettle. And the pull-up handle makes it easy to lift the lid to add water. Simple to use, with a simple on/off switch, this kettle is very easy to use so you can boil water quickly without any fuss. The switch illuminates when the kettle is on. Fast boiling with 1000 watts. With 1000 watts, the electric kettle boils up to 1 liter of water faster than a microwave and safer than a stovetop. Make a quick, hot cup of tea or French press coffee anytime without a long wait. Great for hectic mornings. Top reviews from the United States. After 6 years, still working great. Since COVID-19 pandemic has me staying at home like a sensible citizen, why not write reviews for products I've had for 6 years? I've already reorganized my kitchen pantry, labeled the shelves, and more. So how about 5 stars for this durable little kettle? It's simple to use, automatically turns off, and makes enough hot water for me and my husband to enjoy. I heard drinking warm beverages is helpful against this virus too, so hey, what better time for you to buy a kettle? We have been using this several times a day for years and years and it's great. Just buy it. And then sip tea while you ponder the meaning of life when you can't hug your friends and all you have is Netflix and existential crisis. See ya on Zoom.